How to get fountains in Merge Garden. Now there was a way you could do this, but currently it has been removed from the shop. So supposedly there would be a little quest over here that would look like this. So create fountains over here, and when you press on find, you can directly go to the shop and see the peaceful fountain as an option. But as of now, if you go ahead to the shop or pretty much your supplies or to your garden, you won't be able to see the fountain option. So either you could try fulfilling your quest for a bit and progressing to the game to see if this quest does appear again, or maybe it was an event. But if it was an event, there would be a chance for it to come back, since it really didn't seem like it was somewhat a limited or a permanent limited time event. It is a quest, so if that is the case and it was a quest, then eventually you should be able to reach the point where you can get the quest for fountains in game, and then it should appear in your shop where you can get these. But that's pretty much how you would had gotten fountains in Merge Gardens. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.